Hello everyone, I am Deepak Niyal and I welcome you to the series of Object Oriented Programming with C++. As you all have studied C before, so let us first discuss some of the similarities or differences between C and C++ so that it's easier for you to move from one language to another language. So let us start with the similarities first. So let us first see the similarities between C and C++. So the first thing is that both the language have similar syntax and the code structure is also similar. Second thing, the compilation process or the compilation phases are similar for both the languages. We will be learning compilation phases later in detail, but as of now you can go to my channel, the easy concepts, and you can see a playlist there. Here it is, and you can get lecture number 8 and then lecture number 9 and so on. They all are related to compilation phases, so you can go there and watch them. Secondly, there are almost similar keywords, or we can say most of the keywords from C are taken to the C++, or in terms of keywords or in terms of language you can also say that this is a subset or this is superset. Other than this, when you talk about basic memory model and the way programming language interact with the hardware, it is similar in both the languages. The similarity between both the languages is that even in the beginning C++ was called C with classes because this language is derived from this one. There are some features which are very different, like object oriented programming concept is very new to C++, and other than this, the concept of exception handling, it's also new to C++, right? So these are the similarities between both the languages. If you talk about differences, although there are more than this, whatever I am going to tell you, but first of all you can have a look at them and keep on learning some new differences as we go along with the language. So first is the keywords. If we talk about C, there are only 32 keywords, but in C++ there are 52 keywords. Second, C is procedural programming language, whereas C++ is object oriented programming. Third thing, when we talk about data and functions, they are separated in C. We will learn these things through the examples, but as of now you can just learn it theoretically. But in C++, all these things, data and functions, are encapsulated and we can say that they are hidden. And this is done to save it from accidental modification. Right. Other than this, there is no concept of namespaces, but in C++ there is a concept of namespace which you will learn in coming lectures. There is a concept of information hiding which is in C++, but there is no such concept in C. One important thing, the C language is developed by Dennis Ritchie, whereas the C++ is developed by Bjarne Stostop. Its pronunciation is very difficult, more difficult than learning C++, so don't mind, you can learn it. There are more similarities and differences between C and C++, but discussing all at a time is not feasible here. So what we'll do, we'll keep learning these things in coming lectures as we go along with the series of lectures. And now in next lecture we'll start with our object oriented programming concepts in more detail, and then we'll see the first program and discuss all those concepts in context of that program. Alright, so I think this is enough for this lecture. If you have any doubt or query, please write in the comments. Thank you so much.